Okay, today I'm going to change the cabin air filter on a 2020 Dodge Ram Classic. Got the filter on eBay for 15 bucks. So first thing you want to do is open this. Then you have this thing right here. That's on there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. So you just push up on the glove box a little bit. You pull that tab down. Pull this tab down, and it will release. It's like a spring type string. And it just flew back there. You can see it. Then all you have to do is push this in a little bit. The glove box comes out that easy. It's amazing. It just hooks in here. Just like that. And you can see the bottom of it. And the cabin air filter is right there. See, it says the arrow says flow. The airflow goes down, and then you just pull down on these tabs. There's a little tab on right here, and another tab down there. And here's the tabs. You just push in right here. Push that in at the same time. You pull it out, and the whole thing will just come out. There's the air filter. Let's see what this one look like. Not too bad. And put it in reverse.